Hey everyone. If QuickBooks is giving you a tax calculation error and your reports or payroll taxes aren't adding up correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix tax calculation errors quickly and accurately. First, review your company tax settings. Make sure your tax rates, tax agencies, and filing information are all correct, because even a small mistake can cause calculation errors. Next, check each employee's tax information if this affects payroll. I mean, incorrect federal or state details or wrong withholding info can throw off calculations, so double-check W-4s or equivalent details for every employee. Make sure QuickBooks and payroll are updated to the latest version. Updates often fix tax bugs automatically, so keeping your software current can solve many calculation problems. Run the tax report again or refresh it. I mean, sometimes QuickBooks just needs a quick recalculation to show the correct tax amounts, so hit refresh or recalculate before looking for bigger issues. Go through recent transactions and invoices carefully. Miscategorized items, incorrect tax codes, or missing tax info can all lead to calculation errors, so verify each transaction. If the problem persists, use the QuickBooks Tool Hub and select Payroll and Tax or Company File Issues. So it can automatically detect and repair tax calculation problems, saving you a lot of time and effort. And finally, if none of these steps work, contact QuickBooks Support. They can help resolve complex tax issues that can't be fixed manually. So yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix QuickBooks tax calculation errors. Follow these steps carefully, and your taxes should calculate correctly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more QuickBooks tutorials for fast and easy solutions.